Ahlan wa sahlan, and welcome to Edupedia World Videos. Basic Arabic with your instructor, Laura Al-Albani. In this lesson, we'll be learning the numbers from 0 to 10. In the Arabic language, of course. Learning objectives. By the conclusion of this video, the student will be able to 1. Count from 0 to 10, 2. Write the numbers from 0 to 10, and 3. Write the numerals from 0 to 10. In Arabic, raqam means number. The plural of raqam is arqam. Arqam. Okay, let's begin. Listen and repeat after me. We'll start with 0. صفر. واحد. اثنان. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. ستة. سبعة. ثمانية. تسعة. عشرة. Now we'll look at each number individually, but before we begin, I'd like you to get a piece of paper and a pencil, because I want you to write each number and each numeral at least 10 times. You should write the number and the numeral as many times as you need to until you can write it without looking. So let's begin with 0. The word for 0 in Arabic is صفر. صفر, and it's written as a point. Our next number is واحد. واحد. واحد means 1. اثنان. اثنان. اثنان is 2. ثلاثة. ثلاثة. ثلاثة is 3. أربعة. أربعة. أربعة is 4. خمسة. خمسة. خمسة is 5. ستة. ستة. ستة is 6. سبعة. سبعة. سبعة is 7. ثمانية. ثمانية. ثمانية is 8. تسعة. تسعة. تسعة is 9. And finally, عشرة. عشرة. عشرة means 10. Now it's your turn. I'm going to put up a number. I want you to read it and say what it is. صفر. Did you get it right? Great. واحد. واحد. اثنان. اثنان. ثلاثة. ثلاثة. أربعة. أربعة. خمسة. خمسة. ستة. ستة. سبعة. سبعة. ثمانية. ثمانية. تسعة. تسعة. عشرة. عشرة. Now let's try counting together one more time. Listen and repeat after me. We're counting from 0 to 10. صفر. واحد. اثنان. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. ستة. سبعة. ثمانية. تسعة. عشرة. And once more. صفر. واحد. اثنان. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. ستة. سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة. And now you have a challenge. Try and say your phone number in Arabic. This brings us to the end of our lesson. But keep practicing. Make sure that you know how to write each of the numbers without looking. And make sure that you know how to count fluently from 0 to 10. Ma salama.